In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your keybind settings for League of Legends. If your controls feel off, abilities aren't casting the way you expect, or you just want to get back to the classic Q to WER layout, resetting your keybinds is quick and simple. The key thing to know is that League applies and displays your full set of keybind options from within a match. So we'll start by getting into a game first. To do this without affecting anyone else, the practice tool is the safest choice. Launch the practice tool, load into the map, and wait until you're fully in-game at your champion. Once you're in, open the settings menu. You can click the small gear icon in the top right of the screen, or simply press the escape key. The settings window will appear with several tabs along the side. Often, League opens this menu to the Keybinds tab by default. If you don't see keybinds right away, click on the Keybinds tab to switch to it. This is where all your hotkeys live, including abilities, items, summoner spells, camera, communication, and more. Inside the Keybind section, look for the Restore Defaults option. It may appear near the bottom of the panel or within the header of the keybind category you're viewing. Click Restore Defaults to revert everything to the standard League of Legends layout. This will remove any custom binds you've created and return keys like Q, W, E, and R to abilities, D and F to summoner spells, number keys to items, and so on. If you've built a very customized setup that you might want later, consider taking a quick screenshot of your current bindings before you reset, so you have a reference. After restoring, make sure you click Save. This step confirms the changes and writes them to your configuration, so they'll persist in this match and in future games. If you close the menu without saving, the game may prompt you to apply or discard changes. Choose to save so your defaults stick. Now is a good moment to test the result. Move your champion, press Q, W, E, and R, and try a couple of items or summoner spells to confirm everything feels right. If the Restore Defaults button wasn't clickable, or you didn't see the Keybinds tab, double-check that you're actually inside a game instance and not just sitting in the main client, since full keybind options appear in-match. And that's it. By entering a game, opening settings, going to keybinds, restoring defaults, and saving, you'll be back to the standard control scheme in just a minute.